and Coach Jong with Chico. Coach Jong, after playing small ball the past couple of games, we saw you utilize taller players and extend your guard rotation as well. What did you see with the matchups and the advantages that you carried that shaped the decision behind the men that you fielded in tonight?
I know we had Blackwater's defense gave us a hard time. They took us out of our rhythm. Berto bailed us out in today's game. He, his usual self. When things aren't going well, then you know na asahan he will bail you out, which he did today. He shot, I think, 2 big 3-pointers, if I'm not mistaken, to keep that lead. And we're thankful for Berto for bailing us out tonight. It wasn't me. It was Berto.
Thank you, Coach Jong. Berto, sabi na nga ni Coach Jong, it was you. After a very slow start and a low-scoring first half, ano bang mga binato sa inyo ng Blackwater kaya kayo nahirapan, sabi ni Coach Jong? At anong mga pinahalagahan mo para makabawi at manalo nga ngayon? We saw 10 points in the fourth quarter out of your 20.
First of all, credit, sabi nga ni Coach, credit sa Blackwater. No? Wala yung dalawang big guns nila pero they came playing. So, credit to their team. No? Nagulat at nahirapan kami. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, we practiced that already. Hindi lang namin na-execute ng maayos. So, credit doon sa bench namin. Credit kay Kevin, kay Bayo. They step in. Binibigyan niya kami ng komportabling lead. Tapos nung fourth quarter, medyo sama ng laro ko, hindi ako makashoot. And wala lang, yung tinatrabaho ko lang, yung na-kick in lang. And puti na lang na-shoot ko yung fourth quarter. Pero yun nga sabi ni Coach, we played as a team. Lahat nag-contribute. Ang ganda ng ginawa namin yung second half, nung minove namin yung bola kasi ang ganda ng depensa nila. So, yun yung kailangan namin as a team. Sabi nga ni Coach, pinipreach lagi. We play as a team, player movement, ball movement. And nakita mo naman gaano kaganda kami tingnan this conference. So, yun.